Okay, children, we are back with our next content. That is, we have already seen what is reflex action, right? It is a very sudden reaction to any kind of a stimulus. Okay, because it is a urgency of the, for you to act in some manner. So that urgency, that sudden reaction, response is going to be called as reflex action, and the path it takes, the nerve impulse, what takes a path, the nerve impulse or the messages, okay, or the electronic messages that has been undertaken, that undertakes a particular path for receiving the stimulus as well as to react to it. The stimulus is received by the receptor nerve cells, and the action is taken by the effector nerve cells. Okay, so what are the components that we are going to sell? In the picture we have already seen, a receptor is a cell or a group of nerve endings that receives stimulus and sends the impulse through the nerves to the spinal cord. Okay, in the picture we have already seen what is that receptor. And sensory is a neuron that is going to, once detected by the receptor, it is going to convert that impulse into a signal and transmit it towards the spinal cord. Association neuron or the relay neuron, which we have studied that. Okay, so this is what receptor. Okay, and interneuron, then there is a motor neuron and the effector muscle cells, right? So I'll just explain you. See, receptor is going to receive the stimulus. After that stimulus is received, it is going to get converted into a message or an impulse. That impulse will be carried by the sensory neuron towards the spinal cord. So normally it would have gone to through the spinal cord to the brain, but now here, because of the emergency, interneuron is going to take a call, you can say. Okay, and that message is going to the interneuron through the spinal cord, is going to decide what action to be taken. After that is decided, that impulse is now coming towards that particular muscle, and through this motor nerve fiber, motor neuron. Understand? Yes. So now that message has to be converted to an action. So effector is going to give that action. What action? It will retract your hand or leg or whatever part is being getting hurt. Understood? This is what it is. So effector is a part of the body, example a muscle or a gland that responds to the stimulus from the motor neuron. I just explained you, right? So let us go ahead. Certain other reflex actions. This was just an example of the hot cup of tea or something like that. Okay, here watering of mouth. So, but there are some different types of other reflexes also. This is just attracting of your body parts, right? Now, here, if there is a watering of mouth after seeing or getting to smell your favorite food item, or say applying brakes in a car immediately. These are developed by the experiences or by learning during our lifetime. So we have already, if you are a very good driver and you're been driving for a while, you are alert, right? And you apply the brakes immediately. You sense any kind of a situation there, a dangerous situation, right? So this is an impulsive behavior in which you are supposed to act quickly, or so you start yeah, this is very common that you're going to mouth is going to start watering when you smell your favorite food, or you see that, even if you see that. So these are all quick reaction. These are other types of reflex actions. Okay, so in this there are certain conditions, right? No, so that's why they are called as conditional reflexes. This kind of reflexes are happening under certain typical conditions, like food item is there which is causing a stimulus, or say there is some kind of a emergency, so you're applying the brakes. There's a situation there, there's a condition there. So conditional reflexes, this concept is important from exam point of view. Okay, and this is the reflex arc. Okay, reflex arc, which is showing the concept of reflex action. Okay, yeah, so here we are done with all the nervous system. Now next part is going to, we are going to start with endocrine nervous system. Okay, fine. In the month of December we'll see how much do we cover. We still have a lot of time, but then yeah, keep going through various other videos, and if you want to go into detail and try to understand very well and good. Okay, and in this week I need to see some writing part of yours. Okay, I've already told you, either you complete the objective questions and take a pic and upload it. Okay, and or it is your choice to just write the answer, short answer questions, and that you can upload it in your homework, or you can straight away write the answers in the homework part or in the class notebook part or in your teams for biology, and that which I will receive and I will be able to check. Okay, children, I really need your cooperation from this end, because we need some kind of writing work so that we are able to assess that whether you are able to write, and this will also keep you up with the writing practice. So see you soon in our online class so that we can discuss more about our project work. We have to start, and do not forget about the project, because I'm going to start with asking you the questions based on that. Okay, bye bye, till then, take care.